On escrow, everyone there would be interested to know what an escrow fee should cost approximately.
I mean, that depends on, first of all, only the West Coast uses escrow companies.
Really?
Most of the country uses closing attorneys.
Oh.
So like Texas uses closing attorneys, everything, Florida, New York, everything. I think Colorado might use independent escrows, but anything east of Colorado pretty much uses closing attorneys.
That has to be more expensive than an escrow.
I don't know.
Well, so I've got one limit. It's not a big, it's about $2,000 escrow fees. Split by the buyer itself. It could be more.
Yeah. I mean, I think the escrow company that I use, like I've got a transaction right now going. I think the escrow fees are going to be $3,500 on each side.
Yeah, they're on both sides. Yeah. So that's 7,000. That was,
right.
I quoted that, but in this case, it's not like that. Depends on if they've got a bunch of UCC filings, electric vehicles, transfer of titles, and all sorts of things. But that's where the escrow company makes their money, or it's worth something. They can get that all transferred. Make sure all the notes and the mortgages and that, all those outstanding and assumable things that the new buyers.
Yeah.
That makes sense then.
Yeah. Erica, in Montana, they use closing attorneys also, right?
We use title, but with some commercial deals that we have a closing attorney that we use, but like on regular residential sales, it's a title.
Yeah, but I mean, for business, for bulk sale escrows.
For business, we have a lawyer.
Yeah, it's and what's interesting is that like here in California, the title companies have escrow departments, and so they will handle the escrow on commercial property and all of that. But most title companies will not touch a bulk sale escrow, a business escrow. They don't know how to do them. They don't want to do them. So if you have both, let's say you're selling a business and the owner owns the commercial real estate, and you go to the title department, you say, okay, I want you to handle the escrow for me. As soon as you tell them there's a business involved, it's like, no, we can do your commercial property, but we can't do the business. You got to take that elsewhere. So then we take both of them actually, because it makes, you really need both the property and the business to be in the same escrow company, because they need to close simultaneously. There's just other things that it just works better if you only have one escrow company. So then you just have your independent escrow that's handling your bulk sale, and you have two escrows set up. One's a bulk sale, one's a commercial property, but it's within the same escrow company. And then title provides the title policy, and whatever escrow works with title. So independent escrows are used to working with title companies.